Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today I'm taking my daughter's hair out. She had this Russian twist for almost 2-3 months now. As you can see, she has a lot of buildup, so I'm going to show you how you can take out those buildups without putting your hair, without breaking your hair. Now if you're interested to know how you can do that, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. To get started, I'm going to make a DIY leave-in conditioner, and to do that I'm going to be using aloe vera gel. So the first thing I will do will be to cut my aloe vera leaf in small pieces and extract the gel. There are a lot of reasons why using aloe vera gel on our hair is really beneficial. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E, which help promote healthy cells growth and keep our hair shiny. Also, aloe vera gel helps reduce any itchiness that the scalp may have. Aloe vera gel contains also some minerals that can help fight against any damage our hair may have. Aloe vera gel also can help remove any extra dirt that's on her hair. So this is really why I decided to add aloe vera gel on her hair today, especially that her hair has so many buildups. So using aloe vera gel on her hair will help remove all this excess dirt that her hair has accumulated in the last few weeks. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing the like button, share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. After extracting all the gel, I'm going to transfer this into a spray bottle. I will only put half of this aloe vera gel into the bottle and then add some warm water. This will help me be able to spray easily, or also since she will be having this on her hair for overnight, it's best that I dilute this a little bit. Next, I will get some oil and put it in a small container. You can use any oil of your choice, but for me, I decided to use some avocado oil. Before I start taking out this passion twister, I'm going to cut the extension close to where her hair stops. Then I will spray my leave-in conditioner on her hair and allow it to sit for a few minutes just to help the water and the aloe vera to soak into her hair. Then I will start taking out the passion twist out slowly but easily. It looks like I'm going faster here because I put it in a fast mode, but actually the idea is to go as slow as possible so you don't have to pull the hair. This might take a long time, but it's really important and necessary to avoid breaking our hair. And I always try to add oil on my hands, making sure that my hands are not dry so it won't be hard on her hair too. As you can see, she has a lot of buildup there, so I'm going to spray more of this leave-in conditioner and let her hair sit down under that, where I'll go into the next braid or the next twist. While the other braid or the other twist is sitting under the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to move onto the next one, and I'm going to start taking it out slowly, making sure not to break her hair. Be gentle with her hair. The key point is always to be gentle, and I will be adding oil and leave-in conditioner as I'm doing it. Whenever I feel like it's dry, whenever I feel like there's some resistance, I'm gonna add some oil on my hands, spray some leave-in conditioner, and keep doing it until I get to the end. She also have buildup on this portion of the hair, as you can see, but this portion of the hair, the buildup is not so bad. So just spraying a little bit of my leave-in conditioner is going to help take this out without having to let it sit for a few more minutes. While removing the buildup, I have to really be gentle and really take my time, because this is the part when you can literally just pull your hair. And so it's really important to take your time, spray if you have to spray it again, let it sit if you need to. It's really important. This process may take a long time, but this is one of the reasons why sometimes leaving our hair under braids or twist out for under braids or twist for months or weeks is one thing that is not good, especially if you have to moisturize and add product on the hair every week. It adds up buildup, so it's good. It helps grow the hair, but you have to be really patient when taking out those braids or those twists out when you have it last for about 2 to 3 months. As you can see now, after letting this part of her hair sit with the leave-in conditioner and the oil for a few more minutes, it's now easy for me to take out the buildup, and I'm trying to really be gentle with that part of her hair. But as you can see, at least this time I'm able to do it. Earlier it was really stick together, it was hard to do it. Now I can actually comb her hair without any resistance, and then when I feel there's any resistance, that means there's any buildup in some area, I'm gonna go back using my fingers, because my fingers are more gentle than compare using just a comb. Now all the buildups are gone, and after washing her hair, this is how her hair came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to show you or teach you something. If I was, please consider pressing the like button, share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.